Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC. Chapter 1. How to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC from the keyboard. To use this method, press the left Shift key on your keyboard 5 times. In the pop-up window, you will click No to disable them. Chapter 2. How to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC from settings. To start, we open Settings from the Start menu. After that, from Accessibility, you will open the Keyboard option. Here, you can disable the Sticky Keys switch. Chapter 3. How to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC from Control Panel. To start, enter Control in the search box. Open the Control Panel. There, click on Ease of Access and then on Ease of Access Center. Now click on the line Change Sign-in Settings. In this section, uncheck the box, press keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. Press Apply and OK. Chapter 4. How to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC from search box. For this method, in the search box, enter Sticky. Click on Sticky Keys. Here, turn off the switch, keyboard shortcut for sticky keys. Chapter 5. How to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC from accessibility. We will access the control panel from the Start menu. You will click on Ease of Access and then open the Ease of Access Center. At the bottom, click on Make the keyboard easier to use. Check that the box Turn on Sticky Keys is disabled. Apply this change. Chapter 6. How to disable sticky keys on laptop or PC from group policies. To start, in the search box, enter the command gp-edit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Here, in User Configuration, open Administrative Templates. Then, in Windows Components, expand File Explorer. Now you will double-click on the policy Turn off Windows key hotkeys. In this window, check the Enabled option and apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.